A Spokane deputy prosecutor is suspected of rendering criminal assistance to a wanted felon, allegedly armed with a handgun. Investigators say Mariah Wright picked up Matthew Bumrucker after police tried to arrest him on an outstanding warrant. The following investigation shows Wright had visited Bumrucker in jail, where corrections deputies found a picture of her in a bikini stashed in his cell. KXLY4 Jeff Humphrey joins us now live. And Jeff, the prosecutor was having an affair with this inmate?
Well, at first glance, you might think that, but her defense attorney says there is no evidence to support that a sexual relationship existed. We know that Miss Wright's husband was well aware that his wife was communicating with Bumrucker. In fact, Bumrucker had attended the Wright's church, this couple hoping that their faith would finally take Bumrucker off his rocky road and send him down the right path in life. It was news that shocked the criminal justice system earlier this summer. A deputy prosecuting attorney who was supposed to be locking up criminals, but behind the scenes visiting Matthew Bumrucker inside the county jail, a man with the word criminal tattooed on his forehead.
Here's the bottom line. Miss Wright is a good person who overlooked what I think a lot of people see as some damning things, which is the tattoos on this person's face.
The case grew even more suspicious when the prosecutor's office kept secret that Mariah Wright had been put on paid leave. Even county commissioners didn't know what was going on.
Clearly, the prosecutor is a separately elected official and can run his office the way he thinks that is in the best interest of the county. But we would, as a board, have appreciated a heads up before finding out literally in the news yesterday.
Spokane police turned up evidence that Wright had helped Bumrucker avoid arrest on an outstanding felony drug warrant. Detectives had gone to this apartment building looking for Bumrucker, but Wright allegedly told Bumrucker on the phone not to answer the door. Witnesses say about an hour later, Wright showed up at this mini-mart in her SUV and gave Bumrucker a ride to the valley. Her defense attorney can't talk about what happened that night, but says Wright got caught up in trying to help Bumrucker save his soul instead of sending him to prison.
He came to her asking her for help, and she tried to bring him into the church to help him make better decisions in the future. Unfortunately, she was in a position in her own life where this got out of control. She used poor judgment in making some decisions, but the simple fact is everything she did was designed to put him on the straight and narrow.
This case was handed over to the FBI, Nadine, to make sure that Ms. Wright had not compromised any other ongoing police investigations. Her attorney says there is no evidence of that. Right now, waiting to see if she'll be charged with rendering criminal assistance. Meanwhile, the federal government going after Mr. Bumrucker for that night being in possession, a felon in possession of a firearm. It's a serious federal charge and one reason why he's being held tonight without bail here inside the Spokane County Jail. Reporting live in Spokane, Jeff Humphrey, KXLY4.